In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 13R, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in floating window. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in pop-up view and launch it in the background. Then hold it and click on this icon with a square between two rectangles and a gear one. Now hit next and start in the pop-up and tap on home button. If you want to use your apps in bigger window, you need to click on this tiny one and then hold one of its corners to pick a perfect size. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. In order to turn it into a bubble, click on home button and swipe your window to the side. Then access it by clicking on the bubble and on tiny window. If you wish to use all of those options, click on those three dots and tap on the chosen one. Over here, you can use your app in full screen view by clicking on the left option, or you can close it by clicking on the right one. You can also use this line over here at the bottom and hold it to swipe your window all the way up, and this way make it disappear, or use it in full screen view by swiping all the way down. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!